Writing as an Engineering Tool is the first of 7 sections in the Science of Writing course. In this section, I will discuss how the writing process can be used as a powerful tool for research and for solving technical problems. Do you view writing as a necessary evil, something that is necessary for communication, but is otherwise useless to your day-to-day technical work? Does writing enter your professional world only after all your research is done and all your problems are solved? Then you are missing out on one of your most powerful research and problem-solving tools. Let me reiterate, writing is one of your most powerful research and problem-solving tools. Specifically, it is the process of writing that is so useful. If you do not involve this process when first approaching a technical challenge, then it is likely that both your research and your communication are falling short. By learning this process, you will invariably improve your effectiveness in research and in solving real-world technical problems. Solid writing skills help you work your way through these problems. Unlike the neatly defined problems found in textbooks, real-world problems come in various forms and are often vaguely defined. They start out as general ideas, come in bits and pieces, or come as disorganized masses of data. You are the one who must bring order to this chaos, and the process of writing is your tool for doing that. It helps you define a direction and work your way through the morass to a solution. It helps you develop an overall thought, that is, solve an overall problem, by first progressing through a series of smaller thoughts, that is, solving a series of smaller problems. This is a natural engineering approach to a technical challenge, and so this process mimics an engineering approach to a technical challenge. In fact, the process of resolving a real-world problem to a solution is not far different from the method you would use to write a paper for a college English course. With that type of project, you start with a blank sheet of paper. You may have a thought or two about what to put in the paper, but it could go any direction. What do? You get what thoughts you do have onto the blank page. You ask questions to flesh them out, you spend time organizing these thoughts, and then you draft the paper. As it applies to solving problems, you use this process to ask the right questions, to find answers to those questions, ask follow-up questions, find answers to those questions, and then organize what you have found. These steps are the same whether facing technical problems or a standard writing assignment in a college English course. Both involve bringing definition to something ill-defined and order to chaos. In fact, they are so similar that you may find you enjoy writing after all. Let's face it, technical writing is challenging. As an engineer, you are often asked to take difficult subjects that you learn the hard way and to break them down into something easier for another to digest. On top of that, your writing includes equations and graphs, not just a series of paragraphs. It is atypical, and thus it is some of the hardest writing out there. Especially for you, learning the process of writing will change your world for the better. With something this difficult, you need a plan, and this process is the plan. It will help you overcome any fears you may have of writing and turn it into an ally.